So this is about the Q delta U Q W for a cyclic process. This 1 mole of a gas. We see how many okay, thank you. 1 mole of a gas in a closed system undergoes 4-step thermodynamic cycle, which means again brought to the same state. Use the data given below to determine the numerical values of the missing quantities. Of course, here W and Q both added to the system are taken as positive. That's a sign convention which is followed in our Smith and VanNess. Both Q and W added to the system are positive. If that convention is used, simply delta U equal to Q plus W is valid. Whereas in mechanical engineering, sometimes they used to use this statement like work done by the system is positive and heat added to the system is positive. In that case, your formula will be like delta U equal to Q minus W. Okay. Whereas what is applicable here is Q plus W. So this is the table. So we have this 4-step process: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. Step 1, 2, 3, and again 4. So total overall delta U, overall W value is available. Okay, now what is the delta U overall that should be known to us? What is that? Simply a cyclic process. For a cyclic process, delta U overall is simply 0. Okay, and with that we can get to know this Q overall. So what is going to be Q overall? Q overall is going to be the opposite of W, because Q plus W has to be 0. So Q overall is definitely going to be 1400. So this value and this value added together will give delta U overall. Delta U overall is 0 because it's starting and again coming back. So delta U is here. Delta U depends on the state. Initial and final states are the same. So delta U is simply 0. So now, so what are all possible? After, of course, this we can easily do it, say it at the first instant. Otherwise, also you can say this also. This doesn't need any other data. How do we say it? For a step delta U equal to Q plus W. W is minus 6000. Otherwise, we'll write here. No? Otherwise, minus 2200 is going to equal to Q minus 6000. So from which you can get Q for the step. No, we are getting this thing. Q for the step is going to be how much it is? 5800. Yeah. So otherwise, simply Q for step 1 to 2 is 5800. Because 5800 minus 6000 will give you minus 200. Q plus W should give you the value of W. Sorry, U. Q plus W to give the value of U. So now, this problem is like solving a Sudoku, like that. No. So first thing we solve this based on the starting point. Delta U for a cyclic process is 0. We can use this as a starting point. We can also use this as a starting point. Once this is arrived, then also we cannot solve this. Or is either this or this, you can start. But now we can fill this column because this is now known. So we can fill this missing. How do you get that? Because Q for these 4 steps should equal to the Q overall. So that way you can fill this value. Once this is available, then this can be filled, and once this is available, this can be filled, and then you can fill everything. So I will directly show you the solution so that maybe you can take the snapshot of this, or take the snapshot of the question as well as the solution. Then you can do it yourself. Okay, nice problem. These are all, of course. Instead of filling this in the table, they may be asking you in the multiple choices. That way you have to work. Maybe the gate question may look like.